Travel isn't just about ticking off places on a map. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone, diving into flavors you can't pronounce, and discovering how food connects us. No matter where we come from, a walk through this food market is a lesson in curiosity. The colors, the aromas, the friendly chaos. It all reminds me how travel teaches us to stay open, to say yes more often, and to find joy in the little things. Every meal here is an adventure. And every adventure leaves you a little braver, a little more grateful, and a lot more inspired. So, where will your next taste of adventure take you?